On the 8th day of Christmas, Paulie's kitchen recipe: cabbage cooked in butter, creamy mashed potato, orange glazed carrots, caraway and parsnips, Brussels sprouts and bacon. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen, the festive edition. So guys, today's episode is all about the Brussels sprouts. Love them or hate them. I've got a recipe that I'm going to show you, which means you'll absolutely love these things. You need to make these. They need to be on your Christmas Day table because they are absolutely incredible. I'm going to say again, incredible people, incredible. So, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But guys, we're going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you everything that you will need for this recipe, which is here. Don't worry if you do miss these ingredients. We'll be putting these in the info box below, so do check down there for those and you'll be able to see them down there. So yeah guys, that's everything you'll need. We're going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing we need is the Brussels sprout. So we're going to take a little sharp knife and we're just going to cut the ends off and cut them in half. Just like that, and I'm going to do that with all of these. Now they're all cut, we're just going to pop these back into our bowl. So next thing we're going to do guys, we're going to grab our bacon. I'm just going to fold that out like that. I'm going to leave that there because we're going to need that back in a minute. We're going to take our larger knife and we are just going to cut these into about 1 centimetre thick strips. I'm going to pop all this back into our little glass bowl. We're going to take our oil. I'm going to pour that into our frying pan. We're just going to pop this back down there. We're going to light our stove. So while that's heating up, we're going to take another saucepan. I'm going to pop that on our stove. Just going to pop 100 millilitres of water into our saucepan, and we're going to take all of our Brussels sprouts and pop those in as well. The fact that that's sizzling must mean it's ready. So we're going to take our bacon and pop that into our frying pan. We're going to cook our bacon till it's nice and crispy, and we're just gently going to cook our Brussels sprouts off. So we're just going to pop a lid on our saucepan, and we're going to steam our Brussels sprouts because they're quite thick and we just want to make sure they're a little bit tender in the middle. And we're going to cook our bacon off until it's nice and crispy and looks like this. We're going to turn off the heat and take some kitchen roll, put that on a bowl and just scrape all of our bacon out onto the kitchen roll, blot up some of that fat. Just going to look at our Brussels sprouts now. As you can see, they've got like a nice deep green colour, which means they're ready. So we're just going to drain the excess water off of them. I'm just going to pop over to the sink, it'll be 2 seconds. So now that our Brussels sprouts have drained off, just going to put this over a low heat just to get rid of that extra excess moisture. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 50 grams of honey. We're going to take our bacon, turn up the heat and reduce that honey down so it goes lovely and thick. You won't need to put any salt in this because the bacon is quite salty anyway and the honey will balance that saltiness out. But what we will need to do is we'll need to put some pepper in. So once your Brussels sprouts look like this, turn off the heat, take 50 grams of almonds, sprinkle those in over the top. So take your cooling rack, pop that there, take your saucepan off of the stove and bring it over across into your cooling rack. So what we need to do now, we need to grab our serving bowl, pop that there and just empty our Brussels sprouts into our serving dish. Let's pop that there. So yeah guys, these Brussels sprouts are absolutely amazing. Honey, bacon, almonds, just the best way ever to dress up your Brussels sprouts. And if I'm having Brussels sprouts, I'm going to have them like this, and they need to be on your Christmas table. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. In the meantime guys, happy cooking, I hope you're inspired, and I'll see you again later. Bye bye. So the first thing we need to do is not do that. It's balanced. So what we need to do now is we need to take an old frying pan and throw it on the floor. Don't do that because you might break the tiles. I haven't, but I will do one day.